Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I'm here to share an early birthday present from Crafts by Teresa to me. Now, she showed me some stamps she was going to destash, and I was going to buy them. And then in a roundabout conversation, we got talking about birthdays and trying to figure out what to buy each other. And I said, I'll take those stamps for my birthday. And she goes, are you sure? And I said, I am positive. And I know Teresa takes care of her stamps. And I also know she hardly used these stamps. Because I'm going to try to be polite about this. Teresa doesn't color. I do all the coloring. So she picked up this little bullfish. Because we both thought he was cute. She only stamped him out enough for me to color. And she sent it to me in an email. So I got that one. Awesome sauce, guys. And then the butterfly. I mean, I don't mind a used gift, guys. I'm not that way. So this cool looking butterfly, Let Yourself Free, with brave wings she flies. Like I told Teresa, I'll color her a whole bunch also. So I got that one from her. And then this one I couldn't hardly see, so she had to pull it out. But I'll show you on the cardboard. It's a gal. See her? Isn't that cool? And it has a saying, stand back, creativity in progress. Jane Davenport. Something peeps. I don't know. But that's what it looks like right there. So that's cool. Yes. I can't wait to color. I'm not coloring right now because I am suffering with the stage of vertical. Yeah. So, and this gal, and the leaves, and the flower, right there, she is. So that's cool. And then, I'm dropping stuff. Hang on. And then this one with the moon, the light bulb, and the stars, and that, and the little bunny out of this world. And then I'll get a new plastic sheet. And then this one, the girls, which are so cool. I love it. Same crap, different day. I can't wait to stamp these out and color them. And then this one. Aren't these cool? So that is my early birthday present from Teresa. She could have hung on to them till March, but hey, she was sending a box out here. So, shipping. Save the shipping price. So, I am awesome with that. It was my idea. She was so worried. And she's asked me, I think 3-4 times, are you sure? Are you sure? And I'm like, I'm positive. I'm very happy with the stamps. Because I'll use them. I love stamping and I love coloring. So, I didn't mind that. They were pre-owned. And it's not like I don't even know if you stamped this out, Teresa. But whatever. I'm very happy. I can't wait to stamp them out and color me some images. So I want to thank Teresa for the awesome opportunity and my wonderful birthday present. I'm loving it. And I have to start me a mix Art by Marlene basket because I just got this from a lady last week. So I can put them all together. Little chubby lady. I think she's so cute. Gotta finish coloring a few of those so I can send them to Teresa. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and thank you again, Teresa. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.